Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word deities. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The ancient city was filled with temples dedicated to various deities. Deities refers to gods or goddesses, typically worshipped in religious or mythological traditions, believed to have supernatural powers and influence. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.